Yes, Abdul Wahab.
I sudah jual buat 3 hari. 3 hari so ada family day. I pergi mandi family day sampai full. So I accident. Masuk hospital. Operation. So 3 days hospital.
Bang, tengah, posisi tengah. Antara sini translate
Jadi, I guna produk selesai. So, SOP. Two packet morning, 2 packet afternoon. So, 7 days, very good. Wow.
So quick translation, everyone, I think you might know. Look at the picture, what happened to him, and each day 4 packets, and now he can walk and run. Okay, well done.
Okay. So, 3 day hospital. What? 2 packet morning, 2 packet night. So 3 day.
Oh ya.
First.
Recover kan? Boleh betul-betul dalam bahasa Melayu? Yes.
3 day operation. Last month.
Next photo.
Sudah 3 hari. Ini 3 hari ada dekat luar. Sudah operate. So I dah guna 3 hari sampai 7 hari sudah jadi baik. So good.
Yes, for the products, each day get 4 packets, 2 packets at night, 2 packets in the morning, and only 7 days it get recovered.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, Mr. Wahab. Thank you so much. Everyone, once again, let's give a big round of applause for the new joiner, Mr. Wahab here. His spirit inspires everyone.